Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
camera light boxes loupes.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
The LumiLoupe is a unique magnifier that makes the fine details of ordinary objects stand out. It has pre-focused dual lenses with 10 times magnification. The pre-focused dual lenses allow examination of objects close up, while a transparent acrylic base provides ambient light to illuminate the subject for clear viewing. Weighing only 1.4 ounces, the LumiLoupe is easy to carry around with you wherever you go. The LumiLoupe is used in a variety of settings by a diverse customer base. For personal use, you can view coins, stamps, jewelry, or 35mm photograph slides. Up close, you'll see details you wouldn't normally see. The LumiLoupe is used in professional settings. For example, the TSA uses this to examine passports for better security. Mountain safety personnel study snowpacks with the LumiLoupe to better predict avalanching. And farmers use this product to examine small insects on their crops. As you can see, the LumiLoupe has a wide range of uses. It's a great choice if you're looking for a portable magnifier. Please visit our website, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and leave your comments below. As always, your feedback is important to us. Till next time, see you later.
Hey, what's up guys, this is Doug from Carson Optical. Today I'm here to talk to you about the all-new SensorMag. The SensorMag is a cool new way to guarantee a clear, spotless image inside your camera. If you own a traditional DSLR, the chances are you can access its sensor. The reason why you want a clear sensor is because having anything on it can cause the image quality to suffer. With the all-new SensorMag, inspecting your sensor up close has never been so easy. This device was designed to fit most DSLR cameras, including Canon, Nikon, and Sony. Just place the SensorMag directly over the sensor. The device will rest comfortably over the lens mount. Use the preset sizes to assure a snug fit over your camera. Turn on the 6 ultra bright LED lights and focus the eyepiece. With this product, you can adjust for the proper depth to gain the sharpest focus possible. You will be able to inspect and truly see what it is on your sensor. Keep in mind this is an inspection device. There are many different cleaners on the market, so it's up to you to choose which one suits you best. In order to properly clean your sensor, you'll need to follow the instructions that are included with an actual sensor cleaner. This handheld device is perfect for those situations where you need your camera ready to go. I can't tell you how many people end up having to correct their photos in editing because there was a piece of dust on the sensor. It's just way better to be prepared. The unique feature of the SensorMag is its ability to swivel out of the way without having to remove the LED lights. This will allow you to gain better access to the sensor without even having to remove the item. Next, I just wanted to say that the included protective pouch is awesome. It's extra padded and looks exactly like a lens case. It zips right up, so you won't have to worry about anything getting damaged or banged up. This innovative product really helps guarantee clear, distortion-free images from your camera. The sensor is the most important part of your camera, so it's always important to have the right tools for the job. I'm Doug from Carson, and I'll see you next time.